Software Spring. Presents. How to use REGEXEXTRACT to extract text embedded between double quotes in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on using the REGEXEXTRACT function to extract text embedded between double quotes. Before we begin, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your support. Okay, here is a quick intro to REGEXEXTRACT. REGEXEXTRACT is a powerful function to extract data based on a specified pattern known as a regular expression. We will talk about regular expression in just a while. Alright, let's take a look at the syntax of the REGEXEXTRACT function formula. Here is an example. Text is the hard-coded text, or a cell address. Regular expression is the pattern, which is checked against the text. Moving forward, let's extract the text embedded between double quotes. The REGEXEXTRACT function formula for this task is A2 is the address of the cell with the text. The first double quote complies with the formula's syntax. These two double quotes match one opening double quote. The two parentheses represent a capturing group. Star means any and all characters. Question mark means limit the extraction to the first substring between double quotes. These two double quotes match one closing double quote. Okay, let me type the formula. There you go. REGEXEXTRACT has extracted the required text. Summary. REGEXEXTRACT is a powerful function which extracts data based on the specified regular expression. The REGEXEXTRACT function formula is That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.